The excitement surrounding Apple's upcoming iPhone SE4 has grown significantly, especially after the launch of the iPhone 16 series. One of the most notable leaks came from Ross Young of Display Supply Chain Consultants. He revealed that Apple has already begun receiving display panels for the new device, indicating that the production process is well underway. The display will reportedly be supplied by BOE and LG, rather than Samsung, which provides most displays for higher-end iPhone models like the iPhone 16. According to Young, Apple has opted for BOE and LG to manage costs, as Samsung's displays are more expensive. According to Sam Mobile, the display is expected to be a 6.1-inch panel with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels and a brightness level of up to 1200 nits. This marks a significant upgrade compared to previous SE models, which had much smaller displays. The new screen size also translates into a larger device overall, with dimensions expected to be 147 mm in height and 71.5 mm in width. These changes align it more with Apple's flagship models, but at a potentially lower cost. On the hardware front, 9to5Mac has suggested that the upcoming phone will be equipped with Apple's A18 Bionic chip, along with 8 GB of RAM. This increase will allow the device to support Apple Intelligence, the company's suite of AI-powered features, which are expected to roll out with iOS 18.1 later this year. Notably, this would make the SE4 the most affordable iPhone capable of running these advanced AI features, something that last year's iPhone 15 models were unable to do. While this isn't as cutting-edge as the chips found in the iPhone 16 series, it's more than enough to ensure fast performance and smooth operation for everyday tasks. The A18 chip will likely provide enough power to run modern apps efficiently and support Apple's latest software features, including those that make use of artificial intelligence. This, combined with 8 GB of RAM, would give users plenty of speed and multitasking capabilities, ensuring the phone remains competitive in the mid-range market. According to a leak by 9to5Mac, the iPhone SE4 is expected to feature the same 48-megapixel wide camera and 12-megapixel front camera as seen on the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. However, sources suggest that it will lack ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, setting it apart from Apple's higher-end models. Despite this, Apple is likely to leverage the 48-megapixel sensor to promote the SE4's ability to capture photos with 2x optical zoom, offering enhanced image quality without the need for additional lenses. According to Mac Rumors, the upcoming iPhone SE is expected to make a significant shift from LCD to OLED display technology, marking the end of LCD screens in Apple's iPhone lineup. Since the iPhone 12, Apple has equipped its flagship models with OLED displays, and the next generation SE is likely to follow suit. If this leak holds, the iPhone SE4 will be the last model to move away from the older LCD technology, aligning it with Apple's more premium devices in terms of display quality. Recent leaks from Nguyen Phi Hung on Twitter have provided a clearer picture of the rumored specifications for the next iPhone SE. According to these reports, the device will feature a size of 148.5 by 71.2 by 7.8 millimeters and weigh 166 grams, making it slightly larger than its predecessor. The phone will be built with a 7000 series aluminum alloy and feature a right-angled frame with front and rear glass, though it will not include ceramic shield protection. It will also feature Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB-C connector, though it will be limited to USB 2.0 speeds. Powering the phone is a 30x mAh battery, with some reports suggesting a capacity of 3,279 mAh. It will support 20-watt wired charging and 12-watt wireless charging through MagSafe, making it competitive with modern charging standards. As for the expected release date, reports indicate that the SE model will likely be launched in early 2025, possibly during Apple's March event. In terms of pricing, the phone is expected to cost around $430, similar to the SE 2022, but there is a possibility of a slight increase. Jeff Pugh suggests that the price could rise by about 10%, pushing the US starting price to around $500. Internationally, the price could increase by as much as 15%, which would see the starting price rise to approximately £500 in the UK or 820 Australian dollars in Australia. What are your thoughts on these leaks? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest Apple products.